On the 5th day of this product, we did in sales. And this was all just from an... So this is the one thing that I attribute to all of my success with e-commerce. Today I'm going to explain what offers are, my story with offers, and all the success that I can attribute to, applying different offers to a product. So an offer, you can think of an offer as like, people are more likely to buy 2 cereal boxes for the price of one than, 1 cereal box from the price of one. You can take like, Black Friday, for example. It's if you really think about it, it's just a bunch of crazy offers that these big companies don't usually run. And that's why Black Friday draws so much attention, because you can get a TV for 80% off, a microwave for 60% off. That's why everybody goes. So if you apply this same aspect to, e-com, you can have a bunch of success with it. If you guys like this video so far, please leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe and turn off post notifications. It helps me a lot, it keeps me motivated, and of course I can keep on helping you guys and releasing more strategies. So yeah, let's get back to the video. So the first instance that I really ran into, or I guess figured out how powerful offers were, was with my first product that I tested with Snapchat ads. And basically that product was this huge AirPod speaker. I don't know, I thought it could sell, and it did attract a lot of people to my store. But people would add to cart, they'd go to checkout, but nobody would purchase. And I did the standard checks that every dropshipper would. Make purchases on my store. I checked if it was fast, the store looked decent, and my creatives were pretty good. But for some reason, nobody was purchasing. And I thought to myself, what's something that makes people more likely to purchase a product? And that's obviously if they feel like they're getting a good deal on it. So what I did was I switched the offer, instead of just 50% off, to buy one get one 50% off, and I lowered the price of the product down to $10. With that, I got a ton of conversions. Little did I know that I couldn't find a supplier that could give me good enough prices for that AOV to be profitable. So I just scratched it, I refunded everybody, then I moved on to the next product. AOV is basically average order value. That's the average amount that each customer pays, to purchase something from your store. This is like such a nice view, bro. Yeah. This is like incredible. So after the store, I didn't realize it at the time, but what I didn't realize at the time about the store, about this whole instance, was that, when you have a product that's not converting, but you're getting a ton of checkouts, you can turn that into a pumping product by just switching up the offer. You're basically making the customer feel like they're getting more value out of your product than the money that it costs. So then I started moving on to other products, using Snapchat ads. I would start with one offer, and if that offer didn't work, then I would test multiple other offers throughout the same day to see which one converted the best. And I would do this for a lot of products, and what I realized with Snapchat ads specifically was that low ticket products work the best. I ended up testing this offer called free plus shipping, and that's basically when you price your product for free, and whenever people swipe up onto your store, or click on your store off your ad, they're a lot more likely to press add to cart and go to checkout. And when they go to checkout, they fill in all their information, and when they go to pay for shipping, they're expecting it to be completely free, but they see it's like $12 or $13, and a lot of the people are just like, wow, like I put in so much time, just putting in my name and address and stuff, might as well just pay for the product, it's not that expensive. So a lot of the people will just go ahead and purchase. By tweaking offers, this is how I was able to find that winning offer for Snapchat ads. And that offer went on to make me around $250,000 in sales. Personally, how I see offers as a real superpower was with this one product I ran in September of 2021. It was the infamous Octo plushie, and basically that product was not selling for anybody at that time, and I just completely revived it. What I did was I did a buy one get 4 free offer, which is an incredible offer, to anybody who's looking in to buy, some Octo plushies. And using this offer, I just completely revived the product. I was able to milk around, $35,000 with it, about $7,000 in profit. Keep in mind, this is a product that has long been gone. But to get into the real meat and potatoes of how I made a lot of money just switching around offers, I want to talk about the product that we ran up in May of 2022. So basically we're seeing this product over and over and over again on our For You pages. So we knew that this product was getting, it was getting a lot of eyes, right? And a lot of the people were clicking onto the stores were obviously not purchasing because that this product wasn't worth the amount that, all the people who were selling it were charging for, which is, $30. So I saw that and I basically thought about it and I was like, okay, there's a lot of people who are clicking off of the stores or, are just not willing to pay $30 for this product. So let's try running a buy one, get one free sale for $40 because, I checked with my supplier and we saw that it was around $20, for 2 pairs of this product. So, we made a store with it. We slapped this offer all over the product page and we ran some ads for it the next day and we got about a 5 ROAS, $450 in sales. ROAS stands for return on ad spend. That's basically if you put in $1 into ads, you basically get $5 back. That's how much we got back in this instance. So every dollar you put in, you get $5 back. So the second day rolled around and we did around $7,600 in sales. Then the third day we did around $16,000 in sales, and this amount of revenue, by the way, was able to be done with this ad strategy that I called cost caps, and I filmed a tutorial about that in my other videos, so if you want to go check that out, please do. I'll leave a link down in the description. Hey guys, as you know, I'm still a pretty small creator right now, but I still want to give a huge sponsor to my own Discord. Basically, we have daily Q&A calls that you can join and ask any questions in. We have 40 plus pages of PDF guides and a bunch of mentors to help you with every single dropshipping need and question that you have. So if you're interested, I left a link down in the description. So yeah, go ahead and join. So yeah, I'm excited to talk to you guys and help you on a more personal level. On the 5th day of this product, we did $25,690 in sales. And this was all just from an offer switch that nobody else who was selling this product was running. And mind you, 2 weeks later, everybody who saw this offer, every other dropshipping, competitor, was now copying us. But all in all, we were able to milk around $320,000 in sales from that product in only 2 months. I said I would say this in every single video I post, and I'm gonna keep on doing it. To anybody who's watching this video and is struggling to make anything work in e-commerce right now, I was in your exact position about a year ago, and I'm gonna tell you right now that you have to keep on going. You have to keep on pushing through it because exactly what you imagine and what you want out of e-commerce you will get if you keep on pushing. If you guys like this video, remember, just please leave a like, leave any comments if you have any questions, and subscribe and turn off post notifications, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Coming in to crash the video. This is my fucking boy right here. Everything he says, he knows what he's talking about. He's done this shit. He is one of the most down-to-earth people I've ever met from e-commerce, so take what he says and run with it. Don't change anything. He knows what he's talking about. And yeah, subscribe. Don't miss one of his videos.